and welcome back to module 1 of JavaScript. In this session we learn all about how we can embed a HTML tag in JavaScript. In last session we have learned how to write a simple HTML code or simple JavaScript code using a HTML and script format, that is JavaScript format. Now in this session we learn about how we can embed a HTML tags like bold tag, head tag, italic tag or break tag or all of the tags in your JavaScript format. So let's see the practical implementation of this. So here I have taken one blank file. I have saved that file with .html extension. Now, as usual, first we have to write a simple HTML structure in this file. So this is my simple HTML structure with head section and body section and then HTML closing. Now, in last lecture, we have seen where and how to put a script into your code. Now, for now, I'm just putting my script into the head section. So I'll simply write this script and type JavaScript. Now, inside which we will first write a simple hello world. For that, syntax is document.write, inside which in double quotes I'll write hello world and I'll give semicolon. Now I want to print one more sentence. So again I'll just write document.write inside the bracket in double quotes hello everyone. Now let's save this particular document and let's see what type of output we get. I have saved the document. Now, as you can see, my both this sentence has been printed. But one problem with this is both are in one line. As you can see, I have written two print statement, that is hello world and hello everyone. But it has been printed on the one same line. Now, in HTML, to avoid writing on the same sentence into a same line, we use a break tag. Now, you may ask where to use break tag in JavaScript. So, it's very simple. For example, here are two sentences. So, before this hello, I need a break. So, what I'll do is, inside the double quotation format, I'll just make use of break tag, that is BR tag. I'll save the particular file and now let's see the output. So as you can see, my HTML break tag is being used in JavaScript code as well and my line has been shifted to a next line. If I use break one more time, so it will go on next corresponding line. So likewise, you can make use of break tag to separate the lines from each other. Now, next HTML tag which we can embed into this JavaScript code is heading tag. So, for that, what we have to do is, just as it is, when we write in HTML, we just write here like H1, inside which we write hello world. Okay. Let's save and let's see the output first. Okay. So, this is how we simply write in HTML format. Now we want to write in JavaScript format. So it is very simple. Same way as we have written H1 here. So we will take here as well H1. So what inside the double quotation format, I'll write H1. And as we used to close the tag before the H body tag has been closed. So here we have to close the tag before the double quotation mark. So I'll just close the tag and then save the particular code. And now let's see the output. So as you can see, my both, that is this HTML code and this document.write JavaScript code has been displayed on the screen. And you can see here the difference. My H1 tag has been embedded into my code. So likewise, you can make use of HTML codes to insert or to modify your JavaScript code. Same wise, you can also make use of paragraph tag to write here as well. So I'm using paragraph and before break, I'll again close the paragraph tag. So let's see the output now. So as you can see, the spacing between the paragraph has been changed. That is, a particular text has got some padding and some spacing from the tag, that is paragraph tag. We can also make use of italic tag. So for italic tag, I'll use I. I'll again change here to I. I'll save and let's see the output. So as you can see, my text has been changed to italic. So likewise, you can make use of HTML tag to modify our JavaScript scripting language. So this was all for today. Thank you.